Hello and welcome to our video on 5 ways to earn money online. In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to make money from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, here are 5 ways to earn money online. Method 1. Freelancing. If you have a particular skill set such as writing, graphic designing, programming, or even social media management, freelancing can be a great way to earn money online. You can offer your services on various freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and connect with clients from all over the world. Method 2. Online surveys. Online surveys are a popular way to earn some extra cash. Various websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer cash rewards or gift cards in exchange for your opinions on different products or services. Method 3. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students of all ages. Websites like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly offer flexible hours and competitive pay rates for online tutors. Method 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale that is made through your unique referral link. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are some of the popular affiliate marketing platforms. Method 5. Creating digital products. If you have a talent for creating digital products such as ebooks, courses, or stock photos, you can sell them online. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Shutterstock allow creators to sell their digital products and earn a passive income. Those were 5 ways to earn money online. Whether you choose to freelance, participate in online surveys, offer tutoring services, become an affiliate marketer, or create digital products, there are endless possibilities to earn money online. Remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to build a sustainable income online, but with persistence and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.